Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It is Smart Tech. So today I'm going to tell you how you can save browse on Google Chrome. So if you guys find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to my channel. It is Smart Tech. So let's get in. Now what you have to do is open up Google Chrome browser, and then on the top right section you guys will see these three dots. Hit on that and then hit on the settings option. Once you are in the settings panels, on the top left you guys will see this privacy and security button. Hit on that and then scroll down until you see this security option. Once you hit on that, scroll down a little bit until you see this advanced settings, which is always use secure connections. All right. Now, why is this option helps you to secure browsing? Because sometimes we encounter some websites that does not have HTTPS protocol. That means those websites are not secure according to Google Chrome. So to fix that, what you guys have to do is you guys have to turn this toggle on. So whenever you encounter that kind of website which is malicious or not secure according to the Google Chrome, it's gonna give you a small reminder or a small notification that your connection is not private, so don't go to this website. All right. So just turn this toggle on, and then whenever you guys will encounter that kind of website which does not have HTTPS protocol, it's gonna give you the error. All right. So guys, that's it for today. If you guys find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. It is Smart Tech. So see you in the next video. Peace.